Let's learn some idioms and expressions about sheep. A wolf in sheep's clothing means a dangerous person who pretends to be harmless. Be a lamb means an endearing way to ask someone to do something for you. Be a lamb and get Grandad some ketchup from the fridge. By hook or by crook means by any means possible, honestly or dishonestly. I'll get the money I'm owed by hook or by crook. Count sheep means if you can't sleep, you should count sheep. I can't sleep. I'll try counting sheep. 1, 2, 3. In 2 shakes of a lamb's tail means in a very short time. I'm at the shop. I'll be back in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Like a lamb to the slaughter means be calm and unaware of the danger to come. Look at those chickens. They're like lambs to the slaughter. Make sheep's eyes at means look at someone with affection. Stop making sheep's eyes at him and go and speak to him. Mutton dressed as lamb means an older woman who dresses in clothes that suit a much younger woman. She shouldn't be wearing that. Mutton dressed as lamb. One might as well be hanged for a sheep as a lamb. Means you will get the same punishment for a crime, so may as well commit a bigger offense. Shall we rob this place too? We might as well be hanged for a sheep as a lamb. Separate the sheep from the goats means decide from a group which is good and which is bad. The last 5 miles will separate the sheep from the goats. The black sheep of the family means the naughty, odd, or different one. I'm definitely the black sheep of the family. You can visit our channels and website for more idioms and expressions.